Hey everyone, hello. Today was a deeply emotional day for me, one that I won't easily forget. As I was walking down a quiet street, I saw something that broke my heart. Lying off to the side was a small helpless dog, weak, sick, and completely covered in ticks. His ears, neck, back, even his legs, there were so many ticks crawling over him that his skin was not even visible. He looked up at me with eyes full of pain, like he was silently crying out for help, like he was holding on to his last hope. I could not ignore that look. I immediately walked over to him with the tick spray I had brought with me. Already mixed and ready, I sat down next to him, spoke gently, and tried to comfort him. I knew he had probably been hurt before, maybe beaten, maybe yelled at. The fear in his eyes said it all. As soon as I sprayed near his ears, he flinched and tried to run. That broke me even more, but I gently held him again, calmed him with my words and touch, and began to spray more of the medicine over his body. Slowly he began to settle. He started to understand that I was not there to harm him, I was there to help. I carefully removed some of the larger ticks with my hands just to ease his pain a little faster. Every time our eyes met, I felt like he was asking me, "Are you really here to help me?" It was a moment of silent connection, of trust being rebuilt. Once I had sprayed his entire body and made sure he was covered in the medicine, he just sat there for a bit, still quiet, almost in disbelief that someone had treated him with kindness. Eventually, he walked away slowly, maybe still unsure, maybe still afraid, but I knew he was better than before. For me, this was not just a video, it was a reminder that a little compassion, a small act of care, can bring light to a soul who had almost given up. And perhaps that most powerful thing I learned that day was this: animals feel everything. They may not speak, but they understand love, pain, fear, and gratitude. When I touched him, I swear I could see something shining in his eyes, as if he wanted to cry but could not. His eyes said, "Thank you." That moment left a mark on my heart, and I know that if I had walked away and done nothing, I would have cried that guilt forever. So, if you ever see a voiceless creature suffering, please be the one who reaches out. Sometimes just one human hand is enough to change an entire life. As we started walking away from the spot, I kept glancing back. The dog had disappeared into the distance, but his eyes, that deep, silent "thank you," stayed with me. I kept thinking maybe this was the first time in his life that a human had shown him care. The first time his wounds were treated, not wanted. What felt like a small act to me might end up changing his entire life, and maybe that's all it takes: one kind gesture, one human being willing to stop and help. These voiceless souls, the ones we often ignore, are the ones who silently teach us compassion. If this story touched your heart even a little, then please join me in the mission. Subscribe to my YouTube channel where I will continue sharing such real stories of kindness and hope. Subscribe my YouTube channel